Hello students, in the previous class I explained you the examples of factorization. Today we will start exercise 6a. So its first question is 11ab square c plus 22ab minus 11ab c. Here these are three terms, and in these three terms what are the numerical coefficient? It is 11, 22 and 11. These three terms are divisible by only 11. So what will be common here? First we will take 11. Now come to variable parts. If we see variable parts, a is present in first term, in second term, in third term. In all three terms a is present. So we will take a also as common factor. Now come to b. Here it is b square. Here it is b power 1. If it is b, we will consider it 1. Again here it is 1. So what is the lower power? This is b square and this is b1. See here. To find the HCF of the variable part in many terms, we take the lowest power of the variable present in all terms. We take the lowest power of the variable. Which is the lowest power? Lowest power is b power 1, or we can say b. Present in all terms as the common factor. B is present in all terms. So we will take b also as common. So what is the common factor? It is 11ab. 11ab is common. Now we will divide all these three terms by this 11ab, as I told you in the previous video also, like this one. So we will do it orally now. 11ab square c upon this 11ab. 11 cancel. A cancel. From b square b will be cancelled, 1 be left. Then c also will be here because I have not taken c as common. Then this plus 11 2 ja 22. AB cancel. So here will be only 2. No literal factor, no variable. Minus 11 cancel. AB cancel. So what is here? C. So we will read it. 11AB is common. Then bracket BC plus 2 minus C. You will write here taking out the 11AB as common factor. Now come to next part. It is minus 6AB plus 9A square minus 3A. So again we will see here numerical coefficients. In first term it is 6, in second term 9 and in third term 3. And 3 is the number by which all these three terms are divisible. 6 is divisible by 3, 9 is also divisible by 3, 3 is also divisible by 3. So we will take 3 common. Now come to variable terms. Here it is a power 1, this is a square and this is again a. So what is common? It is 3a. If we see about b, then b is only present in first term. It is not present in second or third term. So we cannot take b as common. What will be common? Our minus 3a. Minus also we will take common. So minus 3a is common. Now if we see it like this, minus 6ab upon minus 3a. Minus minus cancel. 3 2 ja 6. A cancel. B here. Since we have taken minus common, so this plus will change to minus. Then 3 3 ja 9. From a square a will be cancelled. 1a will be left here. Then this minus will change to plus as there is minus sign out of this bracket. Then 3a cancel means 3a upon this 3a, it will be plus 1. You will write here taking out the minus 3a as common factor. Next part C. Minus 10 h minus g whole square plus 5 g minus h. So first we will write minus 10 h minus g whole square means we will write h minus g 2 times, h minus g, h minus g. Then minus 5. Here it is plus 5. We will change it to minus 5. Why? Because see here, in first bracket h is positive and g is negative. And here g is positive, h is negative. Both the sign are opposite. H is positive, h is negative. G is negative, G is positive. So we have to change its sign. Both the sign of the terms in both the brackets should be same. So we will change it plus 5 to minus 5. Then it will become h minus g. Now see here, h becomes positive plus and g becomes negative. I have also written here the terms in both the brackets have opposite sign. So the sign outside the bracket is changed to get the exactly the same terms in both the brackets. So minus 10 h minus g we have written it 2 times, plus 5 we have changed to minus 5, then it will become h minus g. Now this minus 10 and minus 5 both are divisible by 5, so we will take common as 5. ठीक है. Now and h minus g also common. What is the common? Total common 5 h minus g we have taken common. Now this is our first term up to here and this is our second term. So from first term what is the remainder? 5 to the 10 minus 2, 1 h minus g bracket is common, 1 bracket left, h minus g. Then come to second term. Minus this one is here, 5 h minus g upon this 5 h minus g, it will become 1. So common is 5 h minus g, 5 to the 10 minus 2, 1 h minus g is common and other is left here, h minus g, then minus 5 h minus g is common, so it will become minus 1. Now 5 h minus g, multiply this minus 2 within this bracket, it will become minus 2h. 2 multiply h minus 2h, this sign will become plus 2g. Here it will become minus 2h plus 2g minus 1. Come to next part, that is D. A minus 1 whole cube plus 2a minus 1 whole square. This a minus 1 cube, we can write it a minus 1 square and a minus 1. See, both the bases are a minus 1 and its power is 1. So if we add this power, it will become a minus 1 whole cube. So we can write this a minus 1 whole cube, a minus 1 whole square into a minus 1 plus 2a minus 1 whole square. Now see here, a minus 1 whole square, a minus 1 whole square, it is common. A minus 1 whole square is common. What is left from this first term? First term is up to here. This a minus 1 is left here. Then this plus 2. Then a minus 1 whole square. A minus 1 plus 2. A minus 1 whole square. A, if we simplify this minus 1 plus 2, it will become plus 1. Next part, E. R plus 1 multiplied by P minus 1 plus P minus 1 multiplied by 3 minus R. First term is this one and second term is this one. So what is same, what is common in both the terms? This P minus 1, P minus 1. So taking out P minus 1 as the common factor, we will write this P minus 1 as common factor. Then start this flower bracket. What is left from the first term? It is left R plus 1. Then this plus, what is left from the second term? It is 3 minus R. Now P minus 1, R plus 1 plus 3 minus R. P minus 1, this plus R and this minus R cancel. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 we have taken here in starting and this is P minus 1. I think up to here it is clear. If you have any doubt, you listen or you watch this video once again. Then it will be clear. Next part, a minus 3 whole square minus a plus 3 into a minus 3. this a minus 3 whole square can be written as a minus 3 two times. Then this minus a plus 3 a minus 3. So this is our first term and this is our second term. What is common in both the terms? A minus 3 is common. So taking out a minus 3 as the common factor. This is common factor a minus 3. Then what is left from the first term? This is flower bracket, a minus 3 is left. Then this minus here, and from second term a minus 3 is common, so a plus 3 is left here. Now this a minus 3, this a minus 3, out of this bracket minus sign, so we will write it minus a minus 3. Now this a minus 3, this plus a, this minus a, both are cancelled, so minus 3 minus 6. Now this minus 6 will be written in starting, then this a minus 3. Next part, G. X into ax minus b minus a b minus ax. See here again. Here the terms in both the brackets have opposite sign. This ax is plus and this ax is minus. This b is minus and this b is plus. So here the terms in both the brackets have opposite sign. So the sign outside the bracket is changed. This minus sign will be changed to get exactly the same terms in both the brackets. So x, ax minus b, it will be written as it is. Now this minus a, we will write plus a. Then this sign will be changed. This is plus b, it will become minus b. And this is plus minus ax, it will become plus ax. Now x, ax minus b is as it is plus a. Now we can write it ax minus b. So now both the brackets are same. Ax minus b with same sign. Taking out ax minus b as the common factor. This ax minus b is common. What is left from the first term? Our first term is up to here and this is our second term. So x is left from first term and plus a is left from the second term. Then ax minus b and this a plus x. We can write this x plus a as a plus x because both are positive. Next part, H. PQ minus AS plus PR plus AQ minus PS plus AR. In this question there are 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this question we will apply third method. Up to here we were using first two method. First method was taking common out factor as monomial, and in second method was taking out common as expression, algebraic expression. But in this question we will apply third method. What was the third method of factorization? That is by grouping. Here we need to regroup by taking first, third and fifth term. See here, if we take first term, third term and sixth term together, PQ plus PR minus PS, then in all these three terms P is same, so we can take out common easily. Then fourth, sixth and second in another group. This fourth term, fourth term, second term, fourth term and sixth term. These three terms minus AS plus AQ plus AR. What is common or what is same in these three terms? A. So first we will write this algebraic expression by regrouping. See here. First we will write PQ PR minus PS. See this PQ plus PR minus PS. I have marked these three terms with green color and other three terms with orange color. So PQ plus PR minus PS, PQ plus PR minus PR, PS. All sign are from here. We have not put any sign from our side. Then plus AQ. See here. Plus AQ. We have put this plus here. Then this AQ plus AR. This AR. Then this minus AS in second bracket. Now we can take out common easily P, P, P. If we take out common P, then what is left? Q plus R minus s. And from second bracket what is common? A is common. Then q plus r minus s. So this q plus r minus s, q plus r minus s, both the bracket, again we can consider it first term and we can consider it as second term up to here. From first term and second term, again q plus r minus s, q plus r minus s, both are same. So we will take again common q plus r minus s. Then what is left from this first term? This p. Then this from second term plus a. So q plus r minus s, this p plus a can be written as a plus p. Now next part, I. In I part, this is 7p minus 1 x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1. This is part I. So 7p minus 1 as it is, x square plus 1 as it is, plus. If we write out of this bracket 1, then it is same, no change. If we write any other number, suppose 2, 3, 4, then it will change. But if we write 1 out of this bracket, then there is no change. So now it is first term and it is second term. What is the same in both the terms? X square plus 1, x square plus 1. So we will write taking out x square plus 1 as the common factor. X square plus 1 is common factor. What is left from this first term? It is 7p minus 1. And what is from the second? Plus 1. Now x square plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled. 7p left in second bracket. Now we can write this 7p in starting. Then this x square plus 1. Now come to its part J. J part is r into p minus q minus s q minus p. Students, see here again. In first bracket it is p minus q and in second bracket it is q minus p. Again both the terms are opposite in sign. Here it is plus p, here it is minus p. Here it is minus q, it is plus q. So again what we will do? Here the terms in both the brackets have opposite sign, so the sign outside the bracket is changed. We will change this sign in next step. This minus s will become plus s. To get exactly the same terms in both the brackets. So what will be written? This will be written r into p minus q. This minus s will become plus s. Then this plus q will become minus q. And minus p will become plus p. So r p minus q plus s. Now we can write this minus q plus p as p minus q. Now this is first term and this is second term. So p minus q again common. Then from first term what is left? R left, and from second term plus s left. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to second question. See second question. What is second question? Our second question is, prove that 5a plus 10b into 4a minus 8c is equal 20a plus 2b a minus 2c. First we will take left hand side. What is left hand side? This one is left hand side. 5a plus 10b 4a minus 8c. Students, see from this first bracket, this 5 and 10 both are divisible by 5. So taking out 5 as the common factor from first bracket. Only first bracket we are taking out 5 as common from this bracket only. And 4 from the second bracket. See in second bracket this is 4 and this is 8. Both are divisible by 4. So we will take 4 as common from the second bracket. Now if we take 5 from the first bracket as common, then 5a upon 5 means 5 cancel, a is left, then plus 5 2 ja 10, b is written as it is. If we take 4 from the second bracket, 4 is common, then a is left here, minus 4 2 ja 8, c is will be as it is. So what will be our line? 5 into a plus 2b and 4 into a minus 2c. No sign here, neither plus nor minus. Now we multiply this 5 and this 4. 5 into 4, a plus 2b, a minus 2c. Now 5 4 is 20 into a plus 2b, a minus 2c. This is equal our right hand side. See, 20 into a plus 2b, a minus 2c. Clear? Again, see here. Taking out 5 as the common factor from the first bracket. We are taking out 5 as common factor only from first bracket. And here no sign. There is no sign between these two brackets. So we will not put any sign. If there is plus or minus, then we will put plus or minus as here sign. But if there is no sign, we will also not put any sign here. Now come to third question, that is the last. Prove that 11ab minus 22b 7a minus 14c. 11a minus 22b into 7a minus 14c is equal 77 into 2c minus a 2b minus a. It is same as we have done just now question number 2. First we will take left hand side as we did in question number 2. Left hand side is 11a minus 22b into 7a minus 14c. Again see first bracket. In first bracket 11, these two terms are divisible by 11, and in second bracket these two terms are divisible by 7. So taking out 11 as the common factor from the first bracket and 7 from the second bracket. If we take 11 from here as common, then 11 cancel, a will be left here, minus 11 2 is 22, b will be here. Then taking out 7 as common, a minus 7 2 is 14, c. It is a minus 2c. Now if we take, see here, if we take it, this is plus 11. We will change it to minus 11. Then this plus a will be minus a and minus 2b will become plus 2b. Why we have done here this minus? Why we have taken out this minus as common? See, if we compare it with right hand side, here it is a minus 2b, here it is 2b minus a. We have to change the sign, so we will take minus as common. Then sign will be changed. It will become minus, it will become plus. Again here same, we will change this plus 7 to minus 7. Then we will put here like this. We change this 7 to minus 7, then this a will become minus a, this minus 2c will become plus 2c. Now this minus 11 multiplied this minus 7, then first bracket will become 2b minus a, second bracket will become 2c minus a. Minus 11 minus 7, when multiply 11 7 ja 77, it will become positive. So 77, then this 2c minus a. We have written second bracket first and first bracket at second place. So 2c minus a, 2b minus a. If we write it like this, then no problem. But we have to compare it with the given right hand side. 77, then 2c minus a, 2b minus a. So we have changed first bracket to second and second to first. Now we can say this is equal to right hand side. It is proved. In the second question also you will write here proved in the last. So today we have finished exercise 6a. Now you can go through the examples of through the parts of example 3. This one page, that is page number 94. You can go through these examples self. Now you will be able to understand these examples, because in these examples third method is applied. See here also. You have to go through these examples. Do not leave it.